Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Honda Fit. So let me just show you guys. They put some sticker on top of this. Okay, so let's unbox and see how this one looks. I think this one is the older casting, but since I didn't had it, I bought this one. It looked really cute, to be honest. So I thought, let's buy it and see how it looks. Oh my god, they're putting all the stickers on top of this. It's really irritating, man. Okay, so here is the box. So this is a 1:61 scale, and say I never heard about Honda Fit because in India there is no we do have Hondas, but we don't have this particular model. So that actually piqued my curiosity. I bought it. Okay, let's open it. Okay, so the initial impressions of this casting are like it is a bit heavy. It is not light casting or anything, and the paint job looks really beautiful. It's really well done. It's kind of a glittery, very light blue or gray tone, you can say. And I personally love they actually included some kind of acrylic for the headlights. So the logo placement is really nice. So the grills are actually some kind of plastic. It's not painted or anything, as you can see here. So here below this Honda logo, so that one is, I think it is painted. No, that is not painted. It is actually embossed on top of that. It is painted. So that's a very nice addition. So hope you guys can see the interior here. This is really nice. And I just noticed that it has some openable parts, I guess. Yeah. Oh, that is really nice. I didn't expect this one, but I'm really happy actually they did something like this. Wow, this one is really nice. But one thing is the windshield, rear windshield, it is not transparent. It is just opaque. They just painted on top of it. So you can see inside here. It is not a window. It's fully metal. It's fully metal, but nevertheless, it is a beautiful casting. And here is the bottom part of it. It has some decent details. So I think I bought this for somewhere around 350 rupees, if I'm not wrong. So for 350 rupees, this is really an amazing casting. So we did unbox a lot of Matchbox and stuff, but Matchbox can't even compare with Tomica's, to be very honest with you guys. They always paint all the shits, like headlights and taillights and everything. So it is, to be very honest with you guys, Matchbox and Hot Wheels, they both are selling because of their brand name. That's it. So I personally prefer Tomica, specifically under this 500 to 700 range, because it has beautiful details, and it does have suspension. It is really nice, and the wheels here, it is a bit different than other Tomicas on this baseline range, or maybe because this is an older one, it has a different set of wheels. So anyone who's collecting Tomica for a very long time, just drop me in the comments whether I'm correct or wrong in this one. Share some knowledge here, so it will be helpful for me for my next video. Okay, let's do a roll test as usual. Okay, it rolls really nice. It rolls really nice. It doesn't have much wheel wobble. It has It has very little wheel wobble in the rear wheels, but it is not like very huge. But anyway, we are not going to play with Tomicas. We are just going to collect it and display it. Yeah, this is a very beautiful model. Yeah. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you like my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.